other big thing I say is that in civil rights, in the civil rights movement, we were arguing for legal changes. We want to change in the law. The civil rights movements today, SCLC, all of those, they are arguing for social change, and I think there's a big difference
Oh, I think there's
because
a huge difference.
yeah, because when you're arguing for legal change, you're saying what I want is you to correct what happened in 1790 when you gave all privileges under an umbrella that I can't get under, which is whiteness.
Yeah, and
And
that's what the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendment were supposed to correct,
and
and
the
but they never did.
1965, yeah, and the 1965, 65, the Voting Rights Act, all those
Hmm.
things were really trying to say that you put them under the umbrella and then came up with a court case that said I can never get under there.
And but
And even if you reconstructed, you didn't put me under the same umbrella. What you did was you gave me a different umbrella that's smaller and has fewer privileges, and you're measuring my privileges based on the original.
and so my whole problem essentially is what uh, the revolutionary forefathers' problem was against England, and this is my problem with white America. Our current system is they want to tax me without giving me proper representation,
And say mine
and
go
so
deeper
you
than
want.
that. If you didn't tax me, I still want the legal protections that
I want the
comes
legal
with
protection, but
the legal
essentially,
protections and privileges. Because my civil rights, like when they're talking about the 14th Amendment, you're talking about due process. You're talking about a whole lot of different kind of things.
yeah.
And so people was like, well, they ain't gonna kick all the blacks off, right?
I,
But
I,
but but when I take away all your privileges, like our fight has been for a long time, I just want the same legal privileges as you.
and and my problem with the rest of the people of color, if you will,
Mhm.
in this country, they have benefited from our blood
Yeah.
because they have benefited from our struggle.
Mhm.
They benefited from the death that my forefathers, everything we went through, the
Mhm.
14th Amendment, the birthright, citizenship. The immigrant who come over here and has a baby in this country benefited from our struggle, and yet
Mhm.
and still they will turn their back on us in a heartbeat.
And I think it's because if you go to those other countries and you hear the conversation is if you get over there, if you ever get in there, your closeness to whiteness depends on what privileges, opportunities, and everything else you're going to have. You get the better job, you get the good contracts, you get that kind of stuff. Your closeness to blackness means that you inherit how their country treats them.
Yes. And
And
so everyone
so,
sees it. So
and
everyone
so
sees our mistreatment
it's
and
not
no one cares.
it's not even that they see it. It's that they're saying that's America. So, and it's the same thing you tell your kids. I mean, if you go to college, you don't want to hang out with the thugs and the people who get in trouble all the time, blah, blah, blah. You need to hang out with these people who study and who do. I mean, you're trying to coach your people to be able to make decisions. It's just that you're using academics, but other countries use race. And so when they come over, because our country uses race.
Yes. And they use race, they use color. And it's in every facet of society.